Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice noodles from scratch. First, combine 1 cup of rice flour with 1/4 cup of tapioca, starch in a bowl. Gradually whisk in 1½ cups of water until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Let the mixture rest for at least 30 minutes to hydrate the flours properly. After resting, give your batter a final stir to ensure everything is well combined. The consistency should be similar to thin pancake batter, easily coating the back of a spoon. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more water, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it flows smoothly. This step is key for thin, pliable noodles. Now let's steam our noodles. Lightly brush a flat, heat-proof dish with a neutral oil. Pour a thin layer of batter, about 1/8 inch thick, into the dish, swirling to coat evenly. Steam this for 2 to 3 minutes over boiling water until the noodle sheet becomes translucent and firm. Carefully remove the steamed sheet. Once cooled slightly, gently peel the noodle sheet from the dish. You can lightly oil the surface of each sheet before stacking them to prevent sticking. Using a sharp knife, cut the stacked sheets into your desired noodle width, perhaps 1/4 inch for stir fries. Use them immediately or store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.